Hi, so we're starting lesson 8 for first grade for YWalk, and our first section is write subtraction number sentences for the picture stories. So number 1, we see butterflies, and let's count how many there are in total and how many are leaving to find out our difference in the end. So first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies in total, so we're going to write 5 here. And then we see that 1, 2 are going away, so we're subtracting 2 from the total amount. So 5 minus 2, let's take out 2 of them. Then we have 1, 2, 3 left. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. How many butterflies are left? There are 3 butterflies left. So let's move on to number 2. Number 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies. So let's write 6, and then we take out 2 of them because 2 of them are leaving, so there's 1, 2 that are leaving. So let's take them out, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take 2 out, and then we have 4 left. So how many butterflies are left? 4. Moving on to subtraction number sentences. Write subtraction number sentences for the picture stories. So this is the same thing as before, but with ladybugs. So let's count the total number of ladybugs first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ladybugs. 6 ladybugs in total. Then we see 1, 2, 3 are leaving. So 1, 2, 3 are leaving. So let's subtract 3. And then how many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3 left. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So how many ladybugs are left? There are 3 ladybugs left. Moving on to number 2. So let's count the total number of ladybugs we see here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 total ladybugs. And how many do we see leaving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see 6 ladybugs are leaving. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 6. How many do we see are left? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ladybugs left. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Moving on to practice facts 9 and 10. Find the sums and differences. Use the number line if you need help. So we're going to do the second row. And our second row, the first question, number 4, is 5 plus 5. So let's try using the number line. So we're going to start at 5. And then we're going to jump 5 forward since we're adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And we end up where? We end up at 10. So our answer to 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, now let's try number 5. Number 5 is 9 minus 7. So we start at 9. And this time, since the symbol is subtraction, we're going to move backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we move 7 backwards, what number do we end up on? We end up on 2. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Okay, let's try our last one for this section. So our next question is 10 minus 2. So it's minus again. So we're going to start at 10. And we're going to go back 1, 2. And what number do we end up on? We end up on 8. So that means 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, moving on to our last section. It says find the sums and differences, be careful, take time to read the signs. So the questions that we're going to be doing are 9, 10, and 11. So our first one is 0 plus 4. So let's draw the number line again so that we can use it to help us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our number line, and let's draw a line for 0. So we're going to start at 0 for here, this one. We start at 0, and then we move up 4 since we're adding 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number do we end up on? We end up on 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4. So let's do number 10. Number 10 is 6 plus 3. And 6 plus 3, we're going to start at 6. We're going to move 1, 2, 3. And when we move up 3, we end up on the number 9. So our answer for 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. And then number 11, instead of addition this time, we are doing subtraction. And our subtraction is 9 minus 6. So let's start at number 9. This time we're going to use green. So we start at 9. And then we're going to move down 6 or left 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we move backwards 6, we end up on the number 3. And this means that 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So number 11, the answer is 3.